Hey guys, it's your girl Najaam P Lee for NajaamLee.com, and if you were watching part 1 of my blog earlier, that I got myself a early birthday package, an early birthday gift, then this is part 2 of this. And so I want to share it with you guys. I'm super nervous. Please do not, disclaimer, do not feel any way. This is something I wanted to splurge on myself, elevate my own self. I can't believe I have to do this. I think every YouTuber does this thing, or a vlogger. So this is something special for me for the month. I'm not getting anything. Well, I got a few other things, but I'm not getting anything else. But I haven't done something like this in a while. The last thing I splurged on was a few years back, besides my phone, was a Michael Kors custom bag, and it was in the color red. So this one, with my transition and everything, as you can see, I'm mostly trying to be in a white zone of white and creams zone is what I'm doing. So anyways, let's get into the video of my early birthday gift that I want to share with everyone. If you don't know, I was born November 25th, and yes, I am a Sagittarius sun and a Scorpio moon, so this is perfect timing. So here is the box. As you know, usually something luxurious, they do not put the name on the box. We nobody stealing stuff. So let me see if I can open this. Maybe there's a way I can open this without having to tear this thing open. Give me 1 second. Alright guys, so I found a way to open it. So we open from here. I wish there was directions. There's no direction. This huge box. Okay, if you can see, I'm gonna stand up. Okay, that's the tag, that's the brand. So I'm going to take my time because I love presentation and this is so cool. My hands are clean, as my daughter says, make sure your hands are clean. Oh, wow. Okay, so under the top, it's from Coach. It says, thank you for shopping at Coach. Oh, I love presentation. This is so nice. All right, so now, yes, look at that. Okay, so we have a beautiful silky bag. Okay, so we have this that came with it. So let's open together. Oh, this is so lovely, and in my color, my favorite color, white. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. My beautiful LaRae leather tote. Oh my gosh, this is so lovely. Oh my gosh, and packaged so well. Oh, it's a gift for me. Okay, look. Oh my God, look how beautiful this is. Okay. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Happy birthday, Najaam. Happy early birthday to you, girlfriend.